हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एम्प्लॉयमेंट बॉक्स। दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एम्ट्रॉन रिक्रूटमेंट के बारे में। एम्ट्रॉन ने कई सारे पोस्ट के लिए रिक्रूटमेंट जारी की है। काफ़ी अच्छी सैलरी ऑफर कर रहे हैं, काफ़ी सारी पोस्ट भी है। और लास्ट डेट जो है मैं आपको बता दूँ 23 अक्टूबर है। और काफ़ी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है अप्लाई करने के लिए। तो एक एक करके हम सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस करेंगे, लाइक एलिजिबिलिटी क्या है, एज कैसे होनी चाहिए, क्या होनी चाहिए, देन रिटन एग्जामिनेशन है या वाइवा है एंड ऑल। तो एक एक करके सारे हम चीज़ें डिस्कस करेंगे। पर उससे पहले अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। सो फ्रेंड्स, वी आर हैविंग द ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन our screen. The official notification is released by Assam Electronics Development Corporation Limited, and the notification has been released on 24th of September. There are n number of posts, a total of 4 posts has been released for recruitment. Mainly additional manager, second is deputy manager, third is assistant manager, and fourth is junior executive officer. Now you can see the total number of posts and its bifurcation as per the category. Their pay allowance is mentioned over here. You can go through the official notification. I'll mention the link of official notification right in the description box. Now, talking about the age, a person must not be less than 18 years and not more than 44 years who is applying for this recruitment for general and unreserved candidate. 47 in case of OBC and MOBC candidates, and 49 in case of SC and ST and person with disabilities, right? Then talking about educational qualification, the additional manager, the person who is applying for additional manager technical or network, must have degree in BE, BTech or MCA from any recognized institution with minimum of 60 marks, 60% of marks with 10 years of experience in relevant field, or BE, BTech, MCA, B or BTech or MCA from any recognized institution with minimum of 60% of marks, and CCNA certificate from leading OEM with 10 years in network and infrastructure management. Now talking about deputy manager, systems and database programming, electronics, HR, finance, there are a number of conditions. You can go through the conditions, like what the candidate must possess in terms of his degree and experience and marks. You can go through the official notification. Then third, same with in case of assistant manager, and talking about junior executive, candidate must possess BCA or BSc in computer science or BSc in IT, or 3 years of diploma in computer science from any recognized institution with minimum of 75% of marks, or candidate must possess BCom accountancy from any recognized institution with minimum of 60% of marks, or graduate in any discipline, preferably in engineering, with post-graduate diploma in HR management from recognized institution with minimum of 60% of marks. Now, talking about method of selection, the candidate has to undergo an written examination, which will be basically of multiple choice question, which will comprise of an OMR sheet and a viva, practical examination in phased manner. ये जो एग्जामिनेशन है वो दो जो है फेज में होंगे. फर्स्ट फेज में आपको रिटन एग्जामिनेशन होगा 100 मार्क्स का, एंड सेकंड विल बी ऑफ वाइवा, प्रैक्टिकल विल बी हेल्ड ऑफ फॉर 50 मार्क्स. और जो कैंडिडेट फर्स्ट फेज को पास कर जाता है उसे ही चांस मिलेगा सेकंड फेज में अपियर होने का. ठीक है. और आपको अप्लाई करना है www.mtron.in. The link of application I will be mentioning in description box. So that's all for today. Thank you.